Welcome to Machinery Video. Today we're going to get a brief walk around inspection of a Cosen model C-300 NC horizontal bandsaw. This Cosen C-300 NC is new in the year 2007. It's a very feature-friendly machine. It has an internal coolant system with a chip auger. I'll show that briefly here. The machine is equipped with automatic hydraulic blade tensioning. It has power-driven blade brushes. The PC will store up to 20 jobs, and it will automatically retract and index up to 650 cycles. Showing a brief shot here of the hydraulic blade tensioning system. Very simple to operate. So we're seeing this saw just as taken from service, and yet it's in very good condition. I'm showing the automatic brushes there, and the guide wheel. The control panel on the machine is just in excellent shape. We'll show a brief shot of the electrical panel here, which is just impeccable. Thanks for taking a moment to view our brief video on this Cosen C-300 NC fully automatic bandsaw. And please visit www.wigglesworth.com to view our new additions and our featured machines.